So we just got back, and I guess we had a delivery while we were away, and the neighbor actually took it in and then brought it over to me. Thank goodness for that, because they just dropped out in front of the garage. But anyway, that's delivery for you. We had something arrive today. Something else for our adventure vehicle. Check it out. Our ICECO fridge has arrived. Let's open it up. So this is the slide. I'll open that up in a minute. Let's open this up. Without cutting myself, hopefully. This is nice. Oh, it's got a cover too. Nice. Perfect. Really good during the summer. Oh, that's quite deep. Got a partition if I need it. Oops, if I can. There we go. Basket. Got a small section here, which is nice. Looks like it's got a light. Well, let's plug it in and find out. There's the cord for it. Power cord. This is our cord for plugging into the cigarette lighter. I am not too sure what those are. I will find out though. These look like bumpers, basically, or feet. 4 of them, so I would assume those are feet. Let's plug it in and try it out. So right now it's showing it's 45. I'm reading everything upside down here. Max, Eco. What am I pulling for power? I'm pulling 43 watts. And that's on medium. If I turn up on high, I don't know if that will make a difference. Okay, that's the light in there. It's already cooling down. We still have our other cooler, but you know, it's nice to have something where, you know, if we want to have frozen foods and stuff like that, we can keep our frozens in here. It's quite big though for what we need, especially if you pack smart. That's the idea. So right now we are pulling, what are we pulling here? 42 watts. So this will help keep the fridge and stuff a little bit cooler. That's the bottom, so those are for my feet. Not my feet, but the fridge's feet. And then this will be the front. And then hopefully the fridge doesn't have to work so hard. And keeps it cooler, keeps it warmer. Everything it needs to do. Venting. Perfect. Now this is a slide. So where did my knife go? So this will slide out with the freezer on it, and that way we can pack it away and not try to carry it. That's perfect. all this is by ICECO. Oh, that's what those are. These are handles. That makes sense. These will go on like this or like this. And then these are spring loaded. Yeah, these are spring loaded. If I need to, and they'll close. So these are handles. So they'll just go right onto there. Huh, cool. They're spring loaded, so they're nice and sleek. I like this. So I always try to label all my cords and stuff because they can get mixed up so easily. I got my Blue Eddy labeled, the ICECO labeled. Actually, I need another one for ICECO. For the other cord, because when you get so many cords, you forget what's what. So labeling is a smart thing to do. Yeah. All we have in here is water. I've got some ginger beer, thanks to Shelby from Boondocking Bros, who actually got me onto it. We've got some bread in here, I got some cheese, some apple juice. We're only here for one night, but our ICECO keeps everything nice and cold. So this is awesome. I love it. Thanks, ICECO. How much is this pulling? That's one thing I forgot to check. I'm pulling 33 watts right now. I just plugged it in, so once it gets going, gets to the temperature it needs to be at, that will drop. But I didn't have it plugged in, so because I had it in the truck. But let's grab some food. But I love our ICECO. It's awesome.